Hey guys, it's Mare. Today we are in Red Rock Canyon and we're switching it up a little bit. Usually I'm in a gym, but we're gonna get our workout here in our outdoor setting. Let's get to it. So we're gonna do an all body workout. We're gonna try and work out every single muscle. We're gonna get a little creative. I don't have any weights, but we can find something that weighs something, right? So we have a ton of rocks around. We're gonna find a rock that probably weighs, we're just gonna take a wild guess that this one's probably about 20 pounds. We're gonna do some goblet squats with these. The nice thing about being in nature is you can get your workout in with such an amazing view. I am obsessed with red rocks, so this is like the perfect place. Now we got a little hiking in. We're gonna get a little bit different scenery in our background. And we're gonna hit some upper body. Now we hit some legs with our goblet squats. Now we're gonna hit some upper body. I found some rocks. These are probably about 10 pounds. We're gonna do some curls into a shoulder press to hit our biceps and our shoulders. Now, exact weight of these. If they're feeling too light or they're feeling too heavy, obviously if they're too heavy, you can switch them. But if they're feeling too light, you can't really find any other solutions, slow them down to make it a little bit more challenging and do some tempos. So we'll just go nice and slow up just to really get that pump and that burn. This is super fun. I love being out here. I'm on this big giant boulder. We're gonna do some walking lunges across this boulder to work on our hips and our glutes and our legs. All right, well, we're gonna do one more upper body workout to get us moving, get us a little bit warmed up. It's a little bit chilly today here out in the desert. People don't really think that it gets cold in the desert, but it sure does. So we're gonna keep moving. We're gonna move our upper body and do some lateral raises. Well, and now that we just finished our lateral raises, I'm kind of done doing some legs and upper body workout, but we're still gonna make this challenging as we finish exploring and hiking around. So I'm just gonna take my backpack and I'm gonna fill this thing with some rocks. So we can just add some weight on as we are climbing and exploring. Get some baby rocks. You can pick how many rocks that you want to make it as challenging as you need to. So that's it. Thanks for coming along, exploring Red Rock with me and getting a workout in. You can always get your workout in no matter what your circumstances are or where you're at. Get out there and get lifting.